Samsung is already cooking up the Galaxy S26 series, and we just got our first live look at the S26 Pro, S26 Edge, and of course the big boss, the S26 Ultra. Shocking twist, Samsung is ditching the standard and Plus models. Instead, we're getting a Pro and an Edge. Apple must be sweating. Samsung just pulled an Uno reverse card. The lineup looks like this: the S26 Pro as a compact powerhouse, the S26 Edge as the ultra-thin model, and the S26 Ultra as the titanium tank with maxed-out specs, an S Pen, and a brand new anti-reflective display. Basically, Samsung's flexing on Apple's Pro Max naming and saying, "We'll give you 3 better-sounding names in one go." The S26 Ultra goes boxy with titanium and a redesigned camera layout. Leaks suggest it might even look a bit like the Galaxy Z Fold 7's module. Translation: it's built like a premium brick, only this brick can take pictures of the moon. And the cameras? Samsung's going full NASA again. A 200-megapixel HP2 Plus sensor with a bigger aperture, a 12-megapixel 3x telephoto, a 50-megapixel 5x zoom, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide. Meanwhile, Apple is still like, "Here's your 48 megapixels, please clap." Battery is 5000 mAh with 60 watts fast charging. Numbers don't always tell the full story. iPhones with smaller batteries sometimes outlast Android tanks. But 5000 mAh plus 60 watts? That's the sweet spot. You'll survive the day and top up in minutes. Now the real spice, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, made only for Galaxy. Built on TSMC's 3nm process with 2 prime cores and 6 performance cores. Early leaks say it scored 3.8 million on AnTuTu. That's a 41% jump over the last Elite chip. This thing isn't just fast, it's Scooter Brother fast. Apple's A19 Bionic better watch its back. The Pro model brings the same chip, a 4300 mAh battery, and better cameras. The Edge gets slimmer with a rectangular camera module, dual shooters, and a 4200 mAh battery with 45-watt charging. Basically, Samsung is covering every kind of user, from slim and fancy to built like a tank. All 3 models run on One UI 8.5 with new Galaxy AI features, customization upgrades, and design tweaks. And yeah, expect a few iOS-inspired changes, because Samsung never minds borrowing Apple's homework. So that's the Galaxy S26 series. New names, titanium build, monster cameras, a next-gen chip, and faster charging. Samsung is clearly swaying for Apple's head this time. But what do you think? Is the S26 Ultra finally the iPhone killer? Or will Apple fans still line up for the same design for the 17th time? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit like, subscribe to Glitchbox, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.